Adobe Premiere Pro free. How can I get Premiere Pro for free? Simply most likely to the main website of Adobe Premiere Pro as well as click the free test button there. Adobe Premiere Pro free 7-day test version has no restrictions aside from the truth that it functions just for a week. Or else, it's completely useful and works flawlessly great. First off, Adobe Premiere Pro is not a free software application. Nonetheless, there is a choice to get it absolutely free. Basically, you can obtain a fully functional 7-day trial version of any kind of Adobe application. Even an entire Imaginative Cloud is an alternative. You can download and install Adobe Premiere Pro free, and test it for 7 days to discover if you like it or not. Advantages of Premiere Pro free. Lots of organizational devices. Responsive rate. Exceptional stabilization. Unlimited multi-cam angles. Better aid for the 360-degree video clip. Simple to use. Premiere Pro, while easy to discover, is rather durable, and also needs a great quantity of time to get comfy with. If you just need to trim and also cut clips together, Best Pro is wrong for you. Any other suite can do that basic cutting as well as pasting action, so don't lose your money. About Adobe Premiere Pro CC certification. Adobe Best can be very easy to discover if you search for a YouTube video for each and everything you intend to do. Ultimately, things will come much faster. It can be tough if you look for all the features by yourself. Adobe Premiere Pro CC training course for a novice will certainly give you first touch with the Adobe Premiere software, as well as you will certainly discover just how to utilize Premiere Professional to edit your videos in Adobe Best Pro with these easy-to-follow Best Pro video clip modifying tutorials. In this Adobe Premiere Pro program for a newbie, you will exercise modifying while you learn. This Adobe Premiere Pro free for novices includes method video data so you can adhere to along and also actually learn by doing. By the end of the training course, you'll have edited a 1-minute docudrama with the provided video footage. Significance of Adobe Premiere Pro training in 2021. Adobe Premiere Pro free is an effective program for editing electronic videos. Best aids you develop a dynamic video clip or movie. This training course aids you to understand and also work with standards through advanced principles and features of Adobe Best. You will run through a regular series of actions for creating, editing, and adjust a collection of video items. We additionally recommend this program for those intending to enter specialist modifying with breakthrough software like Final Cut Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro course was developed to teach you just how to successfully utilize Premiere Pro, despite if you have ever made use of the program before or otherwise. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Adobe Premiere Pro CC training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Adobe Premiere Pro training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Adobe Premiere Pro training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/